check in. You don't know it's a boy Knife Ninja out there without fear. Alright guys, so in today's video, well, before we start the video, we have to just give thanks for life. Life are the ultimate, and you don't know, to be here today, it's a privilege, and we just want to thank the Most High for that. Alright, so with that being said, guys, you don't know, the channel is making moves, and trust me, we're grateful, and you don't know, we're just forever grateful. So in recent time, I did a video, well, my most recent video that I did regarding, I was in the countryside, and there was this particular game that I was promoting. So in today's video, we're going to talk a little bit more about the game. It's going to be dedicated for that game. This video will be dedicated for that, so I'm going to make you know a little bit more about it. So the game is called Caribbean Breeze Dominoes. Alright, the website is caribbeanbreezegames.com. Alright, so guys, it's a domino game. Trust me, it's a nice game, guys. Me not lie, I play it and it give me a vibe. So guys, the game is free to download. I leave all of the link in the description. So if you guys have an Android, if you guys have a, oh shoot, watch it peeps, I talk and watch it. The bird is right over my head. What this mean? This not right. Guys, the bird poop on me. Anyways, I'll make that distraction. So the game is called Caribbean Breeze Games, guys. It's free to download, free to play with paid ads. So you can watch the ads them and get perks and stuff like that. So go check it out. I really appreciate all of my people them go check it out, and trust me guys, this wouldn't have happened without you guys who are watching this video. You guys made me reach to the point where I am right now, and I'm seeing tremendous growth in the channel, and the subscribers, the views are going up, and I'm forever grateful. But guys, this is a big move for the channel, and I'm not just talking about this because them reach out to me and send me for promote the game. I'm actually playing the game as well, and if you guys want to catch me in the game, I am in the game. The name, I think my username is Ninja JA. Once you're logged in, anybody who have the game, if you're your friend, I see everybody in the lobby, and we can chat, we can spectate, we can do all of that fun stuff, guys. It's a great way to interact, and with the friends and families. It's a board game. It's really get a real domino experience because it have a lot of features, guys, and I love it. You understand? So the video that I did never really tell you how to download the game, but guys, it will be in the description. As I stated, the game is free. Alright, the game is free to download. So please, I want all of you to go over and go check it out. You understand? And just leave a comment underneath the video as well. I guarantee so I love the game. You understand? And I see me do more video as time progresses regarding this. As I always say, guys, it's a big move for the channel, and you don't know, once a big game company reached out, on say, yo, that's a good look, as my phone ring, sealer. So guys, just help me out, or just check it out. I'm telling you, you're not gonna be disappointed. Alright, so the game is called Caribbean Breeze Dominoes. Alright, and the website is caribbeanbreezegames.com. You understand? So caribbeanbreezegames.com. Alright, so what am I gonna do? I'm gonna leave some little thing on the screen. I might not be able to put the link on the screen. However, the link to the game will be in the description. Guys, it's a nice game. Trust me. Go check it out. You don't know your boy Knife Ninja, I recommend it. And trust me, from me I recommend it, guys. I love game, and you're not gonna be disappointed. So just do the right thing and just go check it out. So it's Caribbean Breeze Dominoes. I know say Jamaica have a domino culture. The whole Caribbean in general, but you don't know, Jamaicans will love domino. So every square mile you go see people up on the roadside play them domino, and it's a part of our culture, guys. You understand? So it's a great look to see this game was developed by someone in the Caribbean, and they're embracing the culture, our culture, I should say. So when I go check it out and I love it, and you can come back and say Knife Ninja, or you can link me up on WhatsApp and say, yo, the game bad. But if you don't want to check me out in a game, I'm there in a game and you can spectate when I play and all of that. But guys, the game is free. But we just put a little more emphasis on that. The game is free, so it won't cost you anything to download it. So just if you want to earn coins and stuff like that, silvers and stuff like that, you can watch the ads them. You understand? And that's not going to take any time. So go check out the game. You don't know your boy Knife Ninja, I recommend it. And with that being said, guys, I'll be doing this video this week regarding the guys downtown on my channel. So we have a nice video we're gonna do. We get a little package, some little package for them, and we just want to just go downtown and issue it out. You know what I mean? These guys are my family, so you don't know we do the right thing. Can't believe the bird do that when I do my video star. But you don't know, we're not gonna make that spoil the video. So bless up on yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. And go check out the game, guys. It's called Caribbean Breeze Dominoes. You guys won't be disappointed. Alright? So big up on yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll leave all of the link in the description. So I'm gonna go check it out and link me back.